Hello everyone and welcome to PC Expert TV channel. Today we have a little treat for you all. There are three RTX 3060 Ti graphics cards that we're going to unbox. One is from Gainward, one is from Palit, and third one is from Zotac. So let's start with alphabetically first with Gainward. This is a Ghost OC model. It has a vertically oriented box. And this is the design of the box. So let's open it. So GeForce RTX 3060 is the fourth in line of the Ampere series of cards. It's being launched after the RTX 3070, 3080 and 3090. This graphics card is packed in a protective foam. There's a little pamphlet here, or user manual as you wish. And this is the graphics card itself. It is packed in an anti-static nylon bag. So here we have the card. It resembles the FE model, especially here with the honeycomb structure. And inside the honeycomb structure there's a milky plastic with LED lighting on it. It will be interesting to see how this works in action. The back plate is plastic, the front is also plastic, but it has this nice brushed aluminium look to it. And the cooler is pretty much normal with three separate aluminium parts, aluminium heatsink with fins, and inside there are, I believe, 3 or 4 heat pipes. The video outputs there are 4 video outputs. We have 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. So let's look at the card a little bit closer. And move on to the next in line, which is Palit. Palit has this nice white with black accents packaging, of course with green GeForce RTX accents. Doesn't have a picture of the product itself, but we'll look at it very soon. The packaging and the box is similar to Gainward's model, as you can see. And the graphics card itself is also very similar to Gainward's model. Here we can see the front shroud has a little bit of different design, but at the back it's the same with the honeycomb structure and the milky plastic with the LED lighting. This is of course plastic, this is plastic also, and the cooler is the same. So basically these two are the same products. The third one, Zotac's, is a little bit different. It's a twin edge OC model. And let's see what the card itself looks like. The box is a bit smaller than the other ones. And here we have a zipped bag with some goodies inside. Open it up. There's a pamphlet, there's a quick installation guide, and these are some nice stickers. Very shiny. The card is packed in a bag with air pockets, so it's a little bit more secure than the other two. Let's close this up and show you the Zotac card. This is also plastic, but this is metal. turn it around this way, as you can see it. This is aluminum. These are basically the same video outputs with a little bit different design at the back. All three cards got 8-pin PCI Express connectors for the additional power, and I believe Zotac has some LED lighting here with the Zotac Gaming on top. Zotac is the smallest card, but it has the largest PCB by maybe a centimeter, something like that. But the cooler is much shorter. So that's it. These are our three cards, and we will review them on our website in a few days. So thank you for watching, and see you again some other time.